How to make a section smaller on Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make a section smaller on Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then on your page, that is the website's page, at the top part of the screen, you see the option edit, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you can edit your website the way you want to. Then once you're here, select the section that you want to reduce. Alright, once you've selected it, by the right side of the screen, a box will be displayed showing you edit section. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see format background colors. Our function and our focus is on format, so we leave it on format, and then you'll see a list of options such as row count, gap, fill, screen, height. All right, that's our focus. Click on height, and then you see small, medium, large. So if you click on small, you'll see that the height would be adjusted. Then if it's medium, you see how it's adjusting and changing. And if it's large, it will be larger as well. So but if you want to reduce it manually, you click on the three dots next to this large, and then you would navigate and move with this point here, this dark point here, by just moving it like this. The more you move it, the more the section changes. All right, so you can just take it, put it in small like this, like select small, and then select the three dots. And here, once selected small and three dots, you can now play around with this. Then the section will be smaller or bigger depending on how you want it to. So this is how you can make a section smaller in Squarespace. Thanks for watching. Yeah, once you're done doing it, ensure you click on the save icon. Yes, I forgot that. Click on the save icon here for you to save changes. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.